resort. If you can see, this side is full seaside, like full seaside. You can see the sun is gonna set in some time.
The Farangi Kudru there.
Farangi Kudru.
Where we grew up
Yeah.
when we were very small, and done 3-4 years of age.
All the Delta Point or the Delta Beach. So hi, hello, welcome to another vlog video. So today is Eid day. We are at Hooday. Hooday is somewhere close to the Delta. Many of you all must have heard this name, Delta Beach. So if you can see, this is Hooday here and there's a bus going there. So we'll be turning to the right. So yesterday I went with my friend over there in the evening. My friend from Kuwait had come. So I went with him just to show him the beach, and because he never came this side, so I might as well thought just show him. So today we are heading there. We are seeing what are the changes there. I'll try to put up in this vlog. And also I had been in the earlier vlog. I have been to Bengre, which is close to Delta Beach itself. I'll put the but if you haven't have watched the video, you can go and watch the video. Yeah, so now heading towards Delta Beach, and right now we are in the Hooday Bengre Road. You can see this is the Hooday Bengre Road, and the left side here is full like sea, and the right side is like full river. Now since there are houses, you can't see properly, but yeah, there's a view in the front where you can see the beach properly. There are some shacks as well. There's like some beach shacks, like 2-3 of them. I'll try to show you ahead. Like, so the driver seat changed because I had to shoot vlogs. My dad is driving. You can see him driving, right? So yeah, this is the Canara Beach Resort. If you can see, this side is full seaside, like full seaside. You can see the sun is gonna set in some time. This is the river side, and we have my grandfather's place. We have an island, like in the island we have a small like property there. It's in Kukade Kudru, and see this also. This is like a new one which is like lately built. Yes, there are a couple of shacks here, and there's also a surfing place here somewhere close by, where a lot of people come to surf and stuff like that. Not sure where exactly it is, but I've heard of that, like it's close by somewhere here. I think there are lots of resort that, see this is a riverside that side, and I think there's lots of this guest homes, guest houses being built here.
Stay homes.
You can see
That is Farangi Kudru there.
Farangi Kudru.
Where we grew up
when
we were very small, and done 3-4 years of age. That's and there is, by the side of that, there is Kukade Kudru, where we grew up.
So there's this Panchanjanya cruise as well. It's like a boat house kind of thing. See, we have such a good holiday planner, or maybe we can come here during holidays, but we tend to travel far during holidays. When in our place, in our locality only, we have such a lot of tourist places. And look at these kids. Might have seen in the previous video. We are the same group now, just trying to explore a little bit of our side and see what are the changes that has been done over here, because it's been like very long that we haven't been
more than 2 years.
More than 2 years that we have been this. As I mentioned earlier, I had been yesterday, but it was during night. Couldn't see what are the changes done. So I'll try to put in this video whatever I can. See these houses everywhere. All these are like this recently built stay homes and all. Oasis Beach House. Even I've never
new
come.
one,
Yeah, it's like really close to the sea. Like see, there's a temple here. If you can see, there's a temple.
Hanuman
There are
temple.
2-3 temples in this way
It's the
until the end
Hanuman
of the road. You can see the close up of the beach. Very nice. There's a toddy place here, and there's a beach house here also. There's a toddy place where you get nice toddy. His name is the owner's name is Arun. So where we usually used to come to, have some good seafood, like, but it's very cheap and reasonable. It's really nice there. So we used to come there, but now it's become less.
Being a holiday, also no people today.
Yeah, all are celebrating Eid. I think this is the surfing place which I was talking about. I'm not sure.
Come to Tobacco Free Village.
Yeah. See. There's another temple over here, big temple. We almost reached to the Delta Beach, like maybe another kilometer or so. Last time I mentioned that place as Hampankatta, but that is Hangarkatta, where the boats and all are built. And this is a temple here. I just forgot to, that is the place which I was showing. Like I'll try to zoom in. Yeah. In the previous video I've mentioned, if you haven't watched the video again, just go and watch. I left an I button and mentioned it was Hampankatta. It's not Hampankatta, it's Hangarkatta. It's an exact view of the I think this is the ice factory here, right?
Yeah, ice factory.
Yeah, ice factory. Exact view of the sea. Very nice.
It's a temple also by the side of it.
Temple. A lot of temples. See, there's one more Tirumala boating over here. This is also like a boat house kind of. Not boat house, like you can go cruising and all on that. I think you have to pre-book. I'll just try to get this here. See, if we can take a screenshot of this, might be helpful for some of them. Yes, let's go. And see,
That's
there's
a temple.
another
This is the oldest temple.
There's another
They
temple
have
there.
renovated it now.
Yeah,
There is a school also by the side of that.
yeah.
It's a very old school.
We almost reached. Now I'll see you at Delta. So we reached the Delta Point or the Delta Beach, where the river and the sea meets. The exact point I've come. I wanted to get this in the previous vlog, but I couldn't. But now, since I came here specially for that. Let's see. This is called the Delta Point or the Delta Beach. So calm, soothing. You can see this cobs here. Yeah, that is Hangarkatta. This is, I think, where the boats are built. Exact Delta Point. The other side, there is this one. The very nice beach house which is built, or maybe a homestay, you can say. So this is the other point of the Delta Beach. See, if you can see that was the resort I was talking about, or the beach homestay. We were at that corner. Now we came to this corner. This is really nice, peaceful at night. Or if you come here for a day, You can chill here at this resort and then have a nice sea view in front. It will be very soothing, calm, peaceful. किसी का भी tension नहीं, आराम, chill. I don't know if there are people here right now because I can't see, but it's really nice. Even I was shocked yesterday when I came here. This is called Shangri-La Bay, and this is a place where you can come and have a good time. See, there's a view, entire view. Well, I'm here near Hanging Bridge. If you can see, now it's closed. That's the Hanging Bridge over there, right? So here, one of my relatives' houses there, my dad's cousins. Okay, so I think that's all from this vlog. See you in the next vlog, and you can take rest. See you.